Hi! In this video, I'm going to tell the makeup beginners about the correct use of different color concealers. Use this color to counterbalance skin problems. Ready! Purple brightens dullness on all skin tones. Eliminates yellow in cool skin. Pink balances blue tones in skin. Cancels dark circles and brightens on light skin tones. Yellow cancels dark circles redness and brightens in light skin tone. Brightens purple tone. Green cancels redness on all skin tones. Hide all redness. Red cancels dark circles on dark skin tone. Skin hides dark circles and blemishes. Hope guys you like it.